For language, we don't only have speech recognition and speech synthesis. Most of what goes on in language that we want to understand is the words, the sentences, the ideas that go on in between the speech synthesis and the speech recognition. And so what we'd like to do in natural language understanding is unlock the meanings of language and use that as a tool so that we can better understand the world just as human beings do. Traditionally in natural language processing or linguistics, the dominant thinking has been from the work of Noam Chomsky. And so Chomsky has prominently believed that there's just no chance of human beings learning the structure of language from the signals alone, and has sort of poo-pooed the idea that probabilities were useful for language whatsoever, and has advocated a position where you have an innate language capacity with very strong inductive biases for the acquisition and use of human language. That stands in contradistinction to other research distinctions, such as Claude Shannon's from his pioneering work in information theory, which argues for sort of using probability in information theory as a key concept for understanding signals, and in large measure it's those ideas that have fed into modern natural language processing. But to give an idea of traditional language processing, some of you might remember the computer game Zork if you're around my age. You were standing in an open field west of a White House, and you could give commands like open mailbox. And behind the scenes, this had natural language parsing into tree-like structures of this and semantic interpretation. This, if a simple example, was the kind of classic natural language processing of around the 1980s.